more and more.
Patrick at Pals, and we're back with the Slingshot. And Chuck, we're seeing a lot of these now, aren't we?
Yes, we are. There's not very many places that will work on these vehicles because they don't necessarily always understand them.
Well, it's really a hybrid vehicle, right? It's a combination of a motorcycle and a car.
Well, they would consider it a trike, but yes, it's got a GM engine platform and transmission in the vehicle.
It also has a steering wheel, right?
Oh yeah, you drive just like a car. But because it's got three wheels, the motor vehicle department declares it as a trike.
But your typical motorcycle mechanic is not going to know what to do with a turn signal switch like this, right?
This is a whole animal of a different nature. Luckily, it's a pretty basic system. It's plug and play. You take the cover off. It's got two bolts that hold it in, and then when you put it back together, you reseal the bottom cover, and you should be good to go.
So very similar to any car that's on the market, but very different from any motorcycle that's on the market.
That's correct. And what we find is most of the customers that come to us because they want an alternative than the dealer. They want some other place that they can go and feel comfortable. It just so happens that I own a 2019 Slingshot myself, which is one of the reasons why people come here. We had 5 of them in last month.
Wow. And you know, folks, our 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty works the same on a Slingshot as it does on that Fiat. If you've got a Slingshot, bring it to Pals. See you soon.